face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hey y'all, this is Burn Beauty 2018. I'm working on my hair today. I wanted to show y'all because this product is so new to me, or new since I got the blonde hair. And my hairdresser at Alpha Hair Loft had insisted that in order to get my hair this light, that we take our time doing it and that I keep it conditioned with Olaplex. So the first step in that is the Olaplex Zero. I'm about out of it. You get this bottle. You can buy it on Amazon, but I think that if you buy it in a store like Ulta or wherever you can buy these products, you get the set, because when you buy Olaplex Zero, you also need Olaplex number 3. So the Zero goes on, and you can see it's in my hair, and it's damp. It's not dripping. It's not overly saturated, but it is throughout my hair, and it is damp. I am using the glove because sometimes this is so moisturizing that it sometimes takes my fingernails off. That's how moisturizing it is. I have a actual face moisturizer that can do that too. But at any rate, you put this in and leave it for about 15 minutes. And then you add Olaplex 3 and leave that for another 15 minutes. And I'm doing this every week. But my hair is so strong and healthy. Of course, I don't have a relaxer. I did have a keratin treatment, but I don't know. I probably need another one by now because I'm wearing my hair short, and surely it's grown out. But just the bleach straightened my hair so much. So anyway, Olaplex Zero, then Olaplex 3. And then after 30 minutes, I'll go in and wash my hair with Olaplex number 4, which is the shampoo, Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And I love this stuff, but I use it just to get out any product because I also use Lottabody and texturizing cream and things to make that little cute dew when I'm wearing it. So I wash it one time with that, and then it's time to get out the Olaplex number 4P, the purple shampoo for blondes. This stuff makes such a difference in toning out the gold, you know, keeping it looking more platinum. And I need to actually go in now. I think my hair is healthy enough after using the Olaplex 1 and 3 for several weeks now. I use it once a week, at least just for those two. And then I still use the shampoo. Anytime I shampoo, I use Olaplex. But I don't do the treatment except once a week with the 0 and 3. So I love it when we get the purple shampoo on, and I will show you some more in the steps of this because I don't do hair, but I see a lot of people bleaching their hair out, and I just don't know how healthy it stays. And you guys notice I don't have edges, and this is from where my skin grafts were applied. This is not from loss of hair, but my hair is cut, and I just curl it down, and it just lays down. It looks just like I have edges. It's awesome. It's getting a little bit long now, but I think I'm still going to be cute today. Schedule an appointment with Jennifer to get some hair cut off. I've got a couple more minutes, and then I'm going to put in my number 3, show you what it looks like. This is what the number 3 looks like. And you distribute it through your hair on top of number 0. And then you leave it another 15 minutes. Y'all, so this is my hair after adding the Olaplex number 3. And it's been on now It's probably got maybe 5 minutes more left. It doesn't take very much. I want to say, I know it's not the most inexpensive product, but I bought this bottle and this bottle that you use together every time in June of this year, and they are just now empty today. And that's with conditioning my hair with it once emptying them, so it's well worth my money. Just remember that you don't need your hair to be dripping with it. There's nothing dripping down my face, but my hair is clearly dampened with it. I can't show you the back, but it's clearly dampened, and it already feels super soft. It's amazing how soft it feels. I think I've got a lot more root this time, and it's going to look really good. It's only been a week, but I think it's going to look really good today. What I'm going to do is go wash my hair, and then I'm going to come back out and put the purple shampoo on to show you how to use that to tone your blonde. And then I'm going to put some oil that comes with it in. I'll show you that, and go set it on rollers with some leave-in conditioner, set under the hair dryer. Beautiful. So I'll be back. Let me wash this out. And purple shampoo is next. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. The shower is still running from where I just washed my hair with the Olaplex number 4 regular shampoo. I wanted to show you the purple, and this is what you use to tone out your blonde, tone out any yellow or orange, or I'm sure your hairdressers are fancier at it than I am. I don't know. I just try to tone mine to be a nice platinum color, and I use a good amount of it. I'll only use this once a week. Oh, see, now that's wasteful. Okay, so let me get this on so I'll show you what it looks like, because you have to work with it pretty quickly. I don't want my hair to come out, as with any purple shampoo, because my blonde is so light. I don't want it to come out to be a lavender blonde. I want it to come out to be a very beautiful, it's sort of the champagne color, like it is, like it was made to be. But those orange colors just sort of pop up here and there, and especially with this new hair growing out. Let me get this done. I'm going to pop back in with you. Okay, so I actually used a ton more purple shampoo than I normally do. And I'm about to hop back in this shower and get this out, because I don't even see my hair. I'm hoping that I do not now have purple hair, but it's a possibility. Okay, we're on the home stretch. I used Lottabody foaming mousse, and then the original Lottabody, y'all. This is what we used to use back in the day. The original Lottabody. I put this in first, then I put some mousse, and I really just saturate my hair with it. Then I put in some Kenra spray-in leave-in conditioner and the Kenra blow-dry spray, which helps your hair dry a lot faster and works as a heat protectant. I'm about to spray some more of that on my head before I set under the hooded dryer. I also used Eco Style coconut oil styling gel. And you know, when you see everyone doing the mold, you know, you've got the foam everywhere and you're combing it around. Well, I can't really do that. So I get the foam going and everything, and then I put my rollers in, just like I did in the 80s. And after this, I'll be very careful to take the rollers out, but not comb it. Just let the curls be. I'll show you when we get done, but once you get done with this part, I have a little hooded dryer I'm going to sit under for probably 20 minutes. And these curls are just going to be, I rolled some of them front, some of them back, some of them sideways, so that it's a little more modern. I don't mind, you know, I don't want it to be just like a short older woman hairdo. I want to be a little saucy, you know, but not too saucy. Well, actually, I would like to be too saucy, but I'm working my way up to it. So anyway, let me sit under here and see what kind of curls I get out of this. I did leave some of the hair. This is the hair that covers up where I don't have edges. And I'm just kind of rubbing it down, and I'm hoping that it'll just kind of stay there and just create that edge. And I've got some over here too. It's just pulled from the top and the back to create edges. I'll be back in 20 minutes. See ya.